Look at this. Look at it, look. The whole of the Stagman Sports Bar here and Grill. Stagman Sports Bar and Grill. Of course, the Miller's Beach Bar. Look at that, mate. It's all on fire. Look at that. It's all on fire, mate. That means not actually on fire, like as in flames and shit, but on fire as in, you know, like... Yes, brother. Yes, mate. How you doing, bruv? You good? You alright?
Oh, fuck it. Hey, give me some of those.
Come on, son. Wicked,
Sorry.
mate. Go on, brother.
I'm watching you on TikTok all the time, man.
Yeah, this is on Facebook,
Yeah.
guys. This is on Facebook.
Liam!
This is on Facebook. We're on a Facebook Live, not a TikTok Live right now. Yeah, he might run you over, what do you mean?
Look, I actually follow you. How you doing? Look!
Oh, he does as well, mate. Following the Stagman. I didn't doubt you. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, bring the lads over here when you're ready. I'm here. When you're ready, come over.
People are having headphones in here.
Yeah, but we need to really monitor it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so you stay up here. Yeah. How you doing, brother? Good, mate. Listen, man, he's been telling me all about you. Come on,
Charles. What a hope moon.
Awesome, brother. I want a quick Facebook Live, brother. And by the way, thank you. Look at that, mate. How you doing, brother? You good?
Not bad, you.
See this man here? He's a good lad, you know.
Aye.
He is. And you, brother. We're good, mate. Look at that. Right, so anyway, I'm going to finish off the live in a minute, right? Because it's kind of crazy. Crazy it is. Stagman Beach Strip is wicked, mate. It's where you need to be. And remember, the places you're looking for, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it, I really do. Really do. You're looking for these places here. We've got Miller's Beach Bar, as you can see, absolutely packed out of it. You got your silent disco. Huh? Say again. Do you know what? Tomorrow I'll be live again. Wicked! Yeah, but you were here when I was live. Get you Look at that, look. These are noise cancelling headphones, so you have to use sign language. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Some translation there. Wicked! Look at that! Babe, mwah. What a beauty, what a beauty. Look at that, mate. Life's all about having fun, isn't it? I'll just show you one more time. So if you're coming out, you want your big screens for Cheltenham, you want your really, really good drinks prices. None of that fucking about putting the drinks prices up and all that. How you doing, brother? Right, brother, you good? None of that messing about with drinks prices. If you want a really, really, really good time, and you want your tattoos as well. So remember, for Cheltenham, for Paddy's Day, for every single day of the year, you've got Miller's Beach Bar, always busy. You've got the tattooist, wicked there, mate. You've got the best tattooist in Benidorm by far, right there. Look at that. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. We're loving it like this. Do you really like? They can't even hear me. They've got the headphones on. Look at that, mate. Look at that. So you've got Miller's Beach Bar. You've got the tattooist right here. You've got the Stagman Sports Bar and Grill here with all the big screens for all your sports and all that. Bosh, how you doing, lads? How are you, brother? Come on, mate. And you, brother. And you. Here we go. Bosh, mate. Wicked, brother.
You're live.
I'm live on Facebook, bruv. Look at that.
Hello.
You know that.
Live on Facebook.
Yes, mate. All
Thank
good,
you,
brother.
good.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you, mate. I really do. Thank you, brother. You know what I mean? And then, of course, here, going back again here, you've got the Stagman Sports Bar and Grill. And on the corner of Stagman Strip up there and Stagman Corner, you've got the amazing Stagman Steakhouse. So look at all this. All this is ours. This is what we are. This is Stagman World here in Benidorm. You've got all this. You've got the tattooist here. And then, of course, you've got Miller's Beach Bar there as well. Look, and people are just having fun, aren't they? Do you know what I mean? How are ya? That looks like a smiley face.
You don't buy it.
Yeah. So what was that? You wanted a picture, but I don't buy it.
Yeah, she's 50. Look, she's got a top two.
Well, listen,
His
look.
bark is worse than his bite.
Let me put it like this.
Make sure you got the mic. Get it out.
Get the tit size or your bark.
Getting a
Even
picture.
China.
Right, getting a picture, no problem. But
Yeah.
right, let me just finish this live first, and I want to get selfie on mine as well. Right. So anyway, listen. Here we are, girls from Benidorm. What's the temperature like today, ladies?
Yeah, she's chilly on the old
Hold
belly
on,
like,
hang on. You've got to do it. Come on. What's the temperature like? Here we go. And you, darling. And you. We didn't get you. Go on. You know that. Remember, FK will go home. stagmanworld.com.